Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play with the colors of your windows. So you can be creative, customize your Windows 11 color based on your preference. So let's start by right click on the desktop and click on Personalize. Here there are some options that you can try. So we talk about colors, like click on colors. So here you can choose your mode, change the colors that appear in Windows on your apps. So I prefer dark, and of course by default is light, and even you can custom it. And of course you can turn on transparency effect. Windows and surfaces appear translucent. Here if you turn off it will be like this, but if you turn on this will be translucent. Your taskbar, your windows will be less transparent by turn on this transparency effect. And now about color, you can choose automatic and manual, and if you want to set up based on your preference, please turn on manual. Here you can choose your Windows color, and you can fill color for the custom color. You can choose from here to choose a custom accent. Even you can show accent color on start and taskbar. You can turn on show accent color on title bars and Windows border. You can turn on. And related settings, you can try to increase decrease contrast themes, color themes for low vision and light sensitivity. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.